Hi everyone. In this course titled Learn to Speak Fluent Urdu, we'll be learning several things which will help us know the grammar of the language and will take us to a position where we will be able to understand basic Urdu and be able to conversate in this language. So what will we be covering are common Urdu phrases. There are two lectures on this topic. Then we have common Urdu adjectives. Then we have pronouns, first, second, third person, like मैं, आप, तुम, वो, singular, plural, both versions are given. So we'll have a lecture on that. Then building vocabulary. The commonly used words and phrases are mentioned and explained in this lecture. Then we have situation-based conversation. For example, you go to a restaurant, you go to college, you're talking to people there, you're talking on the phone with family and friends, or you are sitting in a restaurant and ordering food, or at the airport, etc. So these kind of situations are created, and two-way conversation is explained there. Last but not the least, we have the Urdu tenses. We have the past, present, future, 3 time frames, and 4 variations like indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So, as I said earlier, by the time we finish this course, we'll be able to understand the language on a basic level and be able to speak a little bit of Urdu in different situations. I hope that you enjoy this course and you like it. If you have any comments, any feedback, please do not hesitate to share with us. Thank you very much and goodbye.